Welcome! In this video I will show how you can reset network settings on iPhone. So to start, you will need to find and launch the Devices Settings app. From here, enter the general category and scroll this page all the way to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset, then choose the Reset Network Settings option. Input your passcode to confirm. And then, to finalize this action, once again press the Reset Network Settings. Now wait a few moments. And to be more particular, wait for the device to restart. So let's do that. And well, the deed is done, so thanks for watching and bye bye.